Hello folks, this is me again, Dana Drepsky, for this a second video at this site. And still today is May 23rd, 2023, and it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. It's kind of cold out there. Yeah, summer's around the corner, and but we had to get through the third week of spring. Summer starts on June 21st. I got a feeling this summer's gonna be better than like last summer. Last summer was pretty hot, you know, pretty warm days and pretty hottest days. Yeah. During of those hot days, also last year, I made a video when they tearing down the trees, when they made it to this garage over there. And I don't believe they were tearing down the weeds. Maybe the weeds will just grow back again. They're still working on it. I don't hear any engines and such. They're putting on maybe like on cement and such. Yep. Well, there you have it, folks. A little update about the about this site when they're like what they're doing. And I'll see you again next time for more updates about this place. And please comment or subscribe or ring the bell if you like this video or the previous videos at this site from the series. You guys take care and be safe from it. Goodbye, folks, and I'll see you later.